Welcome once more to Infinity Beyond, where our dreams and our curiosity continue to drift gently through the cosmos. Tonight, we sail beyond the familiar planets, venturing into the remote and shadowy regions that mark the very edge of our solar system, where light fades and mystery deepens. As we leave Neptune behind, the sun appears no brighter than a distant star. Here, at the edge of the planetary realm, we enter the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies orbiting in a cold twilight, billions of miles from the sun. The Kuiper Belt is home to countless frozen worlds, relics from the birth of our solar system, untouched for billions of years. Among these icy travelers lies perhaps the most famous of them all, Pluto. Once classified as the ninth planet, Pluto has since taken on a new role, that of a dwarf planet, yet no less captivating. As we approach, we see a small, frozen sphere with a surface of nitrogen ice and water mountains that rise to heights rivaling Earth's Rockies. It's only about 2/3 the width of our moon, but Pluto's charm lies in its detail, not its size. One of the most striking features on Pluto is a massive heart-shaped glacier named Tombaugh Regio, stretching across its surface like a frozen signature. It reminds us that even in the coldest, loneliest corners of the cosmos, beauty persists. Pluto's thin atmosphere expands and contracts with its distance from the sun, creating hazy layers of blue mist when backlit. Its sky, though dim, glows with twilight. As we hover quietly above, we glimpse its largest moon, Charon, locked in gravitational embrace with Pluto. They always show each other the same face, an eternal dance of mutual admiration. Together, Pluto and Charon form a double world, slowly spinning through the darkness, seemingly alone, yet deeply intertwined. Surrounding Pluto are many other icy bodies. Haumea, with its elongated shape and rapid spin, Makemake, with its bright surface and distant orbit, and Eris, the most massive of the dwarf planets, whose discovery helped redefine what it means to be a planet. These worlds are far, cold, and dim, but they form a community, the Kuiper Belt objects, or trans-Neptunian objects, orbiting in silent solitude. Among them may lie other hidden worlds, still undiscovered. Astronomers believe something massive may lurk even farther out, a theoretical Planet 9, tugging subtly at the orbits of distant objects. If it exists, it could be a super-Earth or mini-Neptune, orbiting hundreds of times farther than Earth from the Sun. Its discovery would once again reshape our cosmic maps. As we glide deeper into space, we eventually reach the farthest reaches of the Sun's gravitational influence, a distant, spherical shell known as the Oort Cloud. The Oort Cloud is only theoretical. No one has ever seen it directly. But its presence is inferred by the long, looping orbits of ancient comets that occasionally fall toward the inner solar system. These icy nomads, like Halley's Comet, may come from this frigid frontier, disturbed by the gravitational nudges of passing stars or interstellar clouds. The Oort Cloud is unimaginably far, between 2,000 and 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun. That's up to 100,000 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Here, the Sun's light is just a memory. Space is almost entirely empty. Time, as we understand it, loses meaning. And yet, it is here, at the edge of the Oort Cloud, where our solar system ends and interstellar space begins. This boundary is not a wall, but a transition, from the Sun's domain to the vastness of the Milky Way galaxy. And in this moment of cosmic stillness, we pause. We look back. From this distance, the planets are invisible. Even the Sun is just another point of light in the black. All of human history, every sunrise, every heartbeat, every dream, confined to a tiny pale blue dot, now lost in the dark. Carl Sagan once spoke of this perspective, reminding us that in all that vastness, Earth is where we make our stand. It's humbling, It's awe-inspiring, and in its own way, it's comforting. For though the universe is immense, we are part of it. Its atoms are our atoms, its history is our history, and its future, just maybe, is also ours. As this segment of our voyage closes, we leave behind the solar system we know. Ahead lies interstellar space, where stars drift light years apart and time moves to the rhythm of galactic cycles. But for tonight, let us rest at this threshold, between the known and the unknown, between light and infinite shadow. Here, where the wind of the sun no longer blows and the night never ends, we find not fear, but wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the outer solar system, from the giants of gas to the icy exiles at the edge. In the next segment, we'll begin to explore what lies beyond: the stars, the galaxy, and the endless beyond. This is Infinity Beyond, where science and dreams align under the stars.